Welcome to Start International. In this video we will discuss the ZCM1000e electric tape dispenser. The ZCM1000e is designed to dispense 2 rolls of tape at the same time. The rolls of tape can vary in size. For a single roll of tape, the maximum width is 2 inches, but when dispensing 2 rolls of tape, the width can range from 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. It can dispense tape lengths from 0.79 inches all the way up to 39 inches in length. Inside the box you will find your ZCM1000e, the product manual, dual tape core holder, safety guard, and silicone lubricant. To set up your ZCM1000e, slide the rolls of tape onto your dual core holder. Pull the tape from each roll and adhere it to the feed roller and advance the tape. Program desired length and set the ZCM1000e up to cut manually or automatically. Blades are good for up to 200,000 cuts, depending on the type of material, with cut length accuracy of ±1 millimeter. There's a dual photo sensor to allow the operator to pick up one piece of tape at a time. The pressure roller can be adjusted for different thicknesses of tape. The ZCM1000e can dispense multiple types of tape. It's ideal for medium to high production of repetitive taping for industrial applications. Start International offers a variety of accessories for the ZCM1000e. There is an external reel stand and an optional foot switch. For more information, please visit startinternational.com.